Hold up. Before you even think about starting another prop firm evaluation that might take weeks or even months to complete, I need to tell you about something that just dropped in the futures trading world. Legends Trading just launched their straight to funded accounts, and this could completely change how you approach getting funded. No more grinding through multiple phases, no more evaluation stress, just straight to the money making part. But here's what nobody's talking about yet. Legends Trading isn't just another prop firm trying to cash in on the latest trend. These guys have been building something different from the ground up. Legends Trading is unique because it's directly tied to a registered U.S. futures brokerage, GFF brokers. That's a major distinction many traders overlook. Legends is connected to a firm that actually operates in the regulated futures market. That means you're working with a company that not only funds traders, but also understands the mechanics of futures trading from the inside out. The leadership team, headed by CEO Greg Kohikian, brings real trading floor experience to the table. This isn't some tech startup that decided to jump into prop trading because it looked profitable. These are people who've been in the trenches, who understand what traders actually need, and who've built their entire business model around supporting serious traders rather than just collecting evaluation fees. Just this week, Legends rolled out a completely redesigned website, and the difference is immediately clear. The new layout makes everything easy to find, from pricing to rules to payout structures, with a streamlined design and straightforward navigation. The result is a site that feels modern, transparent, and built with traders in mind. But here's where things get exciting. Legends has introduced their straight-to-funded program called Straight-to-Master Accounts. It's a fresh approach to prop funding that gives traders the opportunity to move directly into a funded account. No drawn-out phases, just a chance to trade with real rules and real pressure from day one. For traders who are ready, it's a direct path to putting their skills to work. The difference with Legends' new Straight-to-Master Accounts is simple. Time to pay out. Instead of waiting weeks or months, you could be eligible for a withdrawal within days of starting, as long as you hit your targets and follow the rules. That shift has a big impact on trading psychology. No more treating the early weeks like they don't matter, or building habits you'll have to unlearn later. From day one, every trade counts, every decision matters, and every dollar earned is real progress toward your first payout. So what exactly are you getting with these straight-to-master accounts? Legends is offering 4 different account sizes, and they're all currently available with a 30% introductory discount that brings the prices down significantly. The $25,000 account drops to $279 after discount. The $50,000 account comes in at $349. The $100,000 account is $419. And the top-tier $150,000 account is $489. Every single one of these accounts comes with the same core structure. A 10-day minimum trading requirement before you can request payouts, trailing maximum loss protection that adjusts with your profits, clear profit goals that aren't designed to trick you, and that 30% discount I mentioned that makes the entry cost much more reasonable than most competitors. But here's where Legends really shows their experience. The platform flexibility. Legends supports Tradeovate, NinjaTrader, Rhythmic, Sierra Chart, and Quantower. This means you can choose the platform that actually works for you. If you're someone who needs advanced charting and customization, NinjaTrader and Sierra Chart give you all the tools you could want. If you prefer the simplicity and clean interface of TradingView integration, Tradeovate has you covered. If you're running multiple accounts or need professional-grade execution, Quantower provides the multi-account functionality that serious traders demand. This kind of flexibility tells you everything you need to know about how Legends approaches their business. They're not trying to force you into their preferred setup. They're giving you the tools to succeed in whatever way works best for your trading style. Now let's talk about how these accounts stack up against the competition, because this is where things get really interesting. I'm going to focus on the $150,000 account size, since that's where most serious traders want to end up eventually. Looking at the $150,000 straight-to-funded accounts, Legends comes out on top. At just $489 with the current discount, they're tied with Lucid for the lowest entry price. But Legends has an extra layer of credibility thanks to its direct connection to a regulated futures brokerage. Daytrader is slightly higher at $495, Tradeify lands at $510, and TickTick is the most expensive at $559. Line them up side by side and the choice is clear. You can pay more for the same thing, or you can go with Legends and get the best price plus the confidence of trading with a firm that's backed by real brokerage expertise. But price is just the starting point. The real differences become clear when you dig into the trading rules, and this is where most traders make costly mistakes. They see a lower price and jump in without understanding what they're actually signing up for. The drawdown structure is where Legends really shows the trader-friendly approach. They use an end-of-day trailing maximum drawdown, which means they only calculate your risk at the close of each trading day. During market hours, you have the flexibility to manage your positions without worrying about hitting some arbitrary intraday drawdown limit that might force you to close profitable trades. It's not all perfect at Legends. Let's start with the minimum trading days. Legends requires 10 days of trading activity before you can request a payout, which is a 90-10 split in your favor. 10 days is a little longer than other straight-to-funded programs, and there's a catch. Each of those days must include at least $150 in profit to count. Still, that's a pretty reasonable bar, and it actually works in your favor. It forces you to show consistency, and consistency is exactly where Legends really shines. Legends uses a 30% consistency rule, meaning your best trading day can make up as much as 30% of your total profit target. That extra flexibility gives traders the room to celebrate big wins while still showing steady growth. It's a balance that keeps your momentum going, rewards strong trading days, and still proves you can trade with discipline over time. Legends gives you exactly what you need to trade smart. On the 25K account, you can run up to 4 contracts or 40 micros. The 50K bumps you to 10 contracts or 50 micros. The 100K lets you trade 14 contracts or 70 micros, and the bid 150K account tops out at 17 contracts or 85 micros. Now, some firms throw you a massive number of contracts right out of the gate, and that's how traders end up blowing accounts overnight. Legends takes the opposite approach. Fewer contracts, more control. That means you can scale your strategy with confidence, without the temptation to oversize and torch your balance. It's risk management built right into the program. And honestly, that's worth more than extra contracts that only tempt you to make mistakes. Legends is taking care of you. Legends offers unprecedented 24/7 live support. When you're trading futures markets that operate nearly 24 hours a day, having support that matches those hours is essential. Legends keeps the rules straightforward so you can focus on trade. There are no daily loss limits beyond your overall maximum, giving you flexibility in how you manage risk. You're free to trade during news events, taking advantage of market volatility when it matters most. And there are no scaling restrictions, so you can add to winning positions and grow your account naturally. It's a structure designed to support your trading style while keeping the path to success clear. Legends account policies are built with fairness in mind. The guidelines focus on protecting the integrity of the program while giving traders the space to learn, adjust, and keep moving forward. It's an approach that encourages growth and consistency, so you can trade with confidence knowing the rules are there to support your progress, not stand in the way of it. What's particularly impressive is how quickly Legends processes payouts. Once you make a request, payments are handled within just a few business days. It's a fast, reliable system that shows they value your time and your trading results. The pricing model makes sense when you consider what you're getting. For less than $500, you're getting immediate access to $4,000 of end-of-day drawdown on the $150,000 account. Professional-grade trading platforms, comprehensive support, and a rule set that's actually designed to help you succeed rather than create obstacles. Compare that to the time and money most traders spend on multiple evaluation attempts with other firms. How many times have you paid evaluation fees, spent weeks grinding through artificial phases, only to fail on some technicality and have to start over? With Legends, you pay once, and you're immediately in a position to start generating real profits. The compound effect of getting to profitability faster can't be overstated. Every week you spend in evaluation phases is a week you're not making real money. Every reset fee you pay is money that could have gone toward funding a real account. Every artificial restriction during evaluation phases is training you to trade in ways that won't work in the real funded environment. The Legends Master accounts have eliminated all of that friction. You start with the real rules from day one. You start generating real profits from day one. You start building real momentum toward consistent payouts from day one. This is particularly valuable for traders who already have proven strategies and just need access to larger capital. Here's what nobody talks about with straight-to-funded accounts: the psychological advantage of knowing that every dollar you make is real progress. There's no artificial evaluation mindset where you might take unnecessary risk because it's just an evaluation. There's no multiple phase structure where you have to change your approach as you progress. It's pure, consistent trading from start to finish. The competitive landscape is shifting rapidly, and Legends is positioning itself at the forefront of that change. By streamlining the process and removing unnecessary steps, they're creating one of the most direct paths from trading skill to trading profits. The 30% discount on these new straight-to-master accounts won't last forever. And given how competitive the pricing already is, this represents exceptional value for serious traders who are ready to skip the evaluation grind and get straight to building real trading profits. If you're ready to trade with a firm connected to a registered broker that truly understands the futures markets, and you want the chance to start generating real profits quickly, then Legends Trading's new straight-to-funded accounts are a standout opportunity. Click the link in the description and use code FFF to lock in this introductory pricing before it's gone. This is your chance to skip the evaluation grind and get straight to what matters: consistent profits and regular payouts with a firm that's actually built to support your success.